guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because it's a self-care day. We're going to be hitting nails, lashes, Pilates, going to the Air One of Philadelphia, self-tan, blowout. Really all the things that make being a woman so wonderful. And going on a trip tomorrow with my best friend Nicole to go visit our friend Grace in Austin. So I have to pack today too. Show you guys a little bit of that as well. I'm gonna experiment with a little bit of a longer vlog. So let me know what you guys like and what you want to see from me. I am new to YouTube, but I'm having a lot of fun with it so far. First stop today is going to see my girl Jasmine at Boutique Nail Café to fix this tragedy. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. I really want, I think, the cat eye nails. We shall see. And after that, I'm going to my first ever Pilates class at Together in Old City. I've been wanting to go to the studio for so long. I follow them on Instagram. They have a really cute thing going over there. I don't know why I'm like nervous. I feel really intimidated. But we paid for the class, we're going. I swear putting on just a little bit of makeup makes me feel so confident and ready for the day. So I'm all here for a little bit of glam for the gym. Don't be a hater. Anywhere Caffeine, this is like the perfect no makeup lip liner for me. Okay, let's go grab some matcha lattes for Jasmine and I, and then head over there. Also, really quick, I've been loving mixing my scents. So my latest fave has been this Valentino and this Mason Margiela Vanilla. Scents complement each other so well. This one really goes well with anything. This is the outfit for the day. Lulu. These are from my friend Tara's boutique. This tote bag's actually from Together, the Pilates studio I'm going to that I've never done a class at. It's Pilates for people who love wine, and it's just a bunch of little figures doing Pilates with wine. Like, that's so on brand for me. And my favorite sneaks. And these little Pilates socks I overnighted because I didn't have any. They came in this cute little pack of 4. They just have the grips on the bottom. I'll put them on my Amazon storefront. I really wanted a nice latte, but baby, it's so cold outside. It's like 4 degrees right now, so I got us 2 oat milk matcha lattes. This place has always been so good, but it's been blowing up lately on TikTok because people are calling it the Air One of Philadelphia. It's called Riverwards. I just got this smoothie. We're gonna try it for the first time. I've never had this one. I usually get a green juice. So delicious. I have nothing to compare it to because I've never been to Air One. but it's really good and it's not $25. Just took an everything shower. Now I'm gonna tan and blow out my hair. Typically I would put my self tanner on and sleep in it, but my boyfriend like passionately hates it. He always has something to say about the smell. I'm sticky, I smell like a McDonald's or a wet dog. He's not that wrong about it. I feel like all my friends' boyfriends hate the self tanner. But that's why I'm gonna just wear it for the rest of the day. I do have a showing later today, but luckily it's with a friend who would understand why I'm looking a little orange this evening. This is my tried and true, I love Loving Tan. This is my favorite self tanner brand and I have tried so many of them. But for my face, I have been absolutely loving these Saint Tropez drops because you can wear these really, like this might be the only face tanner that doesn't break my skin out. Typically blend it in with a moisturizer. This is my everyday moisturizer. This one's just Kiehl's. I use so much of it. I actually have this refill that's almost out. This is the most simple moisturizer. Don't forget to moisturize your knees, your elbows, your hands, your feet before you start tanning. I'm actually gonna use this body cream on those parts. I just got this from Kiehl's. I love Kiehl's, can you tell? This is the Ultra Body Mega Moisture Squalene Cream, IDK. But I've been wearing this after my showers all over my body, and when I tell you it lasts until I shower it off, I still feel it on my skin. Might be the best moisturizer I've ever tried. Gonna take care of that, and then we'll be back. Still not over these nails. Also, I hope my hands aren't messed up. Okay. I have been loving this tool right here. This is the Shark Flex. I don't know exactly if there's much of a difference between this and the Dyson. I have used the Dyson. I feel like they both work the same. This is just definitely significantly less expensive. I start with this attachment just to dry the roots of my hair, and then I go in with this one to give myself a volume blowout. If I have more time or I'm going to an event and I want like bouncy curls, I'll use the barrels, but I'm gonna sleep on this hair and wake up and go to the airport, so I'm just gonna blow it out. Look how cute my brush is. Marshalls. Now I separate my hair in two and I start from the top of this section down, just really getting in the root. Oh, yes. Fresh. I do this thing where every few weeks or so, I cut bangs. And something's telling me it's right about that time. Okay. Now let's see if I can do this DIY lash extension kit that I got on Amazon. I'm just gonna pin my hair out of the way. These are my natural lashes. This is what the pack looks like, and it comes with this little applicator tweezer thing, and then the bond and seal. So apparently you do this underneath the lashes instead of on top like a lash strip. Okay, I think I'm gonna do 12s on the outside, then 11s, and we'll see what happens. That can't be good to put near your eyeball. Smells like super glue. I need like an actual mirror. Okay, we're just gonna start on the outer corner. It's sticky. Duh. Just gonna stick it here. Oh, it literally grabs right on. That's crazy. So I put way too much of that bond on, I think. I just put another 12. So aside from the fact that this literally feels like tar on my eyelashes, if you do just a little, these actually look really good. Like, I'm just worried about my natural lashes. Guess we'll see. Also, how do you take these off? Because this didn't come with remover. If anybody's watching to this part, please let me know how to take these off. Clearly underneath, I could have done better, but... So I did 12, 12, 11, 11, 10. We're gonna just do the same on this side. Up first, we're gonna seal it with whatever this is. Like, I really put anything on my face. Like, I don't even know what this does. Okay. I mean, for I believe $12.99, you too can risk going blind for a fake set. It looks so good. I'll put these on my storefront too. I'm gonna put a little makeup on because I have to go to the showing. But I have the tanner on my face, so I don't want to mess it up. This is my favorite complexion stick by Ilia.